Today we are going to make instant tomato dosa, which makes a easy and healthy breakfast option. So if you are watching my channel for the first time, please do click the red subscribe button below the video and hit the bell icon so that you get all the notifications for the future recipe. Take a mixie jar. To this I have added roughly chopped tomatoes. I have taken 2 large tomatoes. If you have small tomatoes or medium sized tomato, you can add even 3 tomatoes. You can add half inch of ginger, half tablespoon of chili powder, and then mix and make a fine paste out of it. So your paste should look somewhat like this. And once your paste is ready, then we can transfer this mixture to a bowl. To this add half cup of rava, then half cup of rice flour, add 1/4 cup of wheat flour. Then mix all of them together and make a nice uniform paste. Because we have rava in our mixture, so it tends to absorb all the moisture from the mixture. So we have to mix them nicely and add half cup of water to this mixture and mix it nicely and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes so that rava absorbs all the water and it becomes soft and moist. Add some salt and then some black pepper powder. I have added 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Then crush some jeera and then add it to the batter. Here I have taken half teaspoon of jeera to the batter and then add some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And then mix it well and close it with a lid and let it rest. So after some time the batter will look like this. It will become a little more thicker. Now to this add some finely chopped onion. I have added 1 finely chopped onion to the batter. Mix the batter well. Now I'll be adding 1 cup of water and mix it well so that the batter is little thin. The batter should be thinner than the normal dosa batter which we make. It should be loose enough to pour it freely. Now you can see it looks a little thicker. So I will be adding half cup of water extra. So totally I have added 1.5 cup of water now. So now our dosa batter is ready. It's perfect. So let's make some dosas. Grease your pan well with oil and then just pour the dosa batter like this so that it covers your complete pan. Make sure you grease the pan and cook this in medium flame. When you see small air bubbles coming, that means your dosa batter is getting ready and slowly the color starts changing. Pour oil from the sides and then slowly once it's ready you can take the dosa. In this dosa you don't have to flip and cook both the sides. If you cook one side on a medium flame, the other side also gets cooked because this dosa is very thin, so you don't have to flip and cook the other side. Once it's ready, just fold the dosa and your dosa is ready to be served. You can serve it with any of your favorite chutney. Here I have taken fried onion chutney It's very tasty and a very good combination with the dosa. I hope you like the recipe. Do try it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and bye till we meet next time.